Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and a happy Halloween. If you're watching this is Halloween, or it might be the day after. If you watch this on the day it comes out, it's Halloween. Happy Halloween. I'm filming this the day before on All Hallows Eve. But today I wanted to do a lookbook slash outfit styling thing on Halloween costumes that aren't costumes. So I guess outfits, gothy outfits inspired by Halloween costumes. So we've got some characters in here, we've got some concepts in here, we've got some traditional Halloween stuff. But other than rambling, let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below your favourite outfit from this video, and if you would wear any of them, and if you want to see this again maybe next year if I have any more clothes. Because let me know in the comments down below what you want to see more of. Also, stay safe, stay dark, you know, normal things. Have a good Halloween. I know it's not the Halloween we all wanted it to be, but it's the Halloween we're getting, so we have to put up with it. What else? Oh yes, if you want to support the channel, you can become a member. You get a really cool icon just like this, which is drawn by one of my friends. I think it's a perfect time of year to become a member, because then you get to have this cute gravestone next to all your comments all year round, and it's quality. Hopefully we'll have some special emojis coming up that you guys can use. That'll be coming in the future when I have enough money to do that sort of thing, because it costs to commission art, as it should. But guys, that was it from me. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. A huge thank you to Dry Shy for supporting the channel on my memberships. And that is it from me. So I'll see you guys in the next one in November. Bye!